There are many such small incidents happens around us, which we do not pay attention, or if we pay attention, then we do not try to know why it happens. As you must have seen that, the fan which is installed in our houses, whether it is the ceiling fan or the table fan, the petals of the fan slowly become dirty. But do you know that why this happens? You must have seen that, whether the fan is a ceiling fan or a table fan, when we switch on the fan, it throws air according to its capacity. In this way, if something like a plate full of dust is placed in front of it, then it will be cleared by its air. Now the question comes that, the fan have a capacity to clean the dust that is present in the plate, then the fan which keeps going on, why it becomes so dirty gradually. So let me tell you that, this happens due to the structure of the fan. And if you want that, your fan not to be dirty, then for this you will have to make a slight change in the fan, that is, you have to flat the petals of the fan. By doing this, your fan will not get dirty, but at the same time the fan will not give air. It is true, because fan throw air by its special petals design. When we switch on the fan's petals pulls air from behind, and throws it forward. This process happens in high speed, from which we don't know anything. You must know that there is moisture in the air, and it is all due to this moisture. When the fan rotates, the moisture in the air sticks to the petals, due to which, the petals of the fan become slightly wet. Due to this, the dust particles present in the air, get stuck in the petals of the fan. And then the fan becomes dirty. This whole process occurs very slowly, so we can't see it. So now you must have understood that, why the fan gets messy gradually. Hope you have liked this information, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.